How to fix Wi-Fi fail to connect to network on Android. Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Wi-Fi fail to connect to network on Android. So let's get started. The first option is simply turning off your Wi-Fi and then turning it back on. So doing so, your Wi-Fi fail to connect issue would be resolved. If not, you can long press on your Wi-Fi and then you can also, toggle this button off and then toggle it on in order to restart your Wi-Fi settings. So that would resolve your issue. However, if the issue is still there, you can try turning off the router of your Wi-Fi. Just take the plug off and then put it back on. Or you can also long press on your side button and restart your phone. So after restarting your phone, your issue would be resolved. If not, you can, scroll down and then you can long press on your Wi-Fi, and here you can try connecting to any other Wi-Fi network to resolve that issue. And if you're connected to any other Wi-Fi network and the issue is still there, if you have turned on any VPN, you can go and turn it off. Or you can try changing your IP address in order to, you can use just this kind of a VPN that is really safe and doesn't really change the region. It would just configure your network according to a new IP address. That would resolve any issue. So however, if the issue is still there, then you can just go to your Wi-Fi settings, and here you can just click on this gear icon over here, and once you do so, you can simply click on forget and then type in the password again, and after that the issue would be resolved. Or you can even add a new network, enter the SSID of the specific network, write down everything manually about the network. So you can also set a proxy and everything, and the issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can try resetting your network settings from your settings. So just head over to your phone settings, go to the search bar and search for network or reset, and here you'll be able to see an option that says reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. You can simply click on reset settings and your issue would be resolved. So those were a couple of ways how you can fix Wi-Fi fail to connect to network issue. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.